Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to import a file, whether it's an email, a CSV file, or other file types, into an existing Asana project. This feature makes it super easy to integrate data from different sources into your workflow. Let's get started. Step 1. Signing into Asana. First, head over to Asana and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your admin dashboard where you can manage all your tasks, projects, and team members. Step 2. Accessing your project. Next, on the left side of the screen, you'll find the navigation panel. Click on Projects and select the project you want to import data into. For this demonstration, I'm going to choose a project called Design. Step 3. Opening the Import menu. Once you're in the project, you'll see the project name at the top along with an icon for actions. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the project name to open the Actions menu. From here, select Import. Step 4. Choosing the import method. When you hover over the Import option, you'll see a list of available import methods. Asana provides a few different ways to bring your data into the project, including files such as CSVs, Excel files, etc. Emails. AI-guided stores, which analyze your file content and provide guidance. If you select the Files option, Asana will allow you to drop a file directly into the designated area. For example, you could upload a project brief, meeting notes, or even a screenshot of your to-do list. Asana's AI will analyze and transcribe the content from screenshots, which can be a handy feature for quickly adding information from images. Step 5. Importing a CSV file. If you're working with a CSV file, you can easily upload it by selecting CSV under the Import options. After you select the CSV file from your computer, Asana will parse the data and map it to your project. This is particularly useful for importing bulk tasks, project lists, or any structured data from tools like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Asana also makes it super easy to import data from other project management tools like Monday.com, Trello, Airtable, Smartsheets, and more. You'll see these options listed under the Import menu. If you're switching from another platform, this feature helps you transition your tasks and project data seamlessly. Step 6. Importing via email. Another powerful feature of Asana's import tool is the ability to create tasks directly from an email. To do this, Asana provides a unique email address for each project. Simply send an email to that address, and Asana will automatically create a task for you with the following details. The subject line will become the task name. The body of the email will become the task description. Any email attachments will be added to the task as attachments. You can also CC teammates in the email to add them as task collaborators, making it easy to loop others into the task directly from your inbox. This feature is really handy when you want to quickly create tasks from emails or if you receive requests from clients or colleagues that need to be turned into tasks. It saves you time and streamlines the process of managing your work. Step 7. Verifying the import. Once your file or email has been successfully imported, take a moment to review your project and make sure everything looks correct. You should see your new tasks or data populated in the project, complete with the right information. If you're importing from a CSV file or external tool, check that everything is correctly mapped to the appropriate fields, like due dates, assignees, and descriptions. For ongoing projects, you may find it helpful to automate the import process. For example, you can set up an email forwarding rule to automatically send certain emails to your project's unique Asana email address. This can be useful for recurring tasks or project updates that need to be captured quickly without manually creating tasks each time. And that's it! Importing data into an existing Asana project is a quick and easy way to streamline your workflow, whether you're adding tasks via CSV, email, or even AI-assisted file analysis. This feature saves you time and ensures that all your important data gets into Asana with minimal effort. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Asana tips and productivity hacks, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.